Hey everyone, it's Sammy from the Gliffy team at Perforce Software, and I have a really important tip for you. If you are sharing diagrams across multiple pages or spaces in Confluence, Gliffy has a great way for you to keep those diagrams in sync so that your teammates never reference outdated information. So I'm going to show you an example. I've got this diagram here, and then I'm going to hop over to a linked diagram page. And I'm going to insert this diagram by going to search for a diagram, selecting this one, and then checking this link to original diagram box. You can see it shifts this blue button from use as a template into link to original diagram. Then I can insert the diagram here. As this loads in, you see I've got my diagram. Life looks good. I'm going to update and publish that page. And now back to my base diagram. If I make a change to this diagram, and I'm just going to do a really obvious visual change, but you could do something like updating your entire preferred process. So I'll make that change, click Save. When we go back to Confluence and we look at the linked diagram, it will automatically update to reflect that change as well. So here you can see we've got the red dot. And when I refresh this page, this diagram will automatically update. So it's showing that change in the process. So the bigger your team is and the more broadly you intend your diagram to be consumed, the more valuable this feature is. I highly recommend you check it out. Again, all you have to do is when you hop into the editor, search for a diagram and then check that box so that you can insert the diagram rather than using the diagram as a template for a new one. This keeps everything in sync. This is a super powerful feature, awesome for enterprise teams. If you haven't yet, you can sign up for a free trial of Gliffy via the Atlassian Marketplace and try it out yourself. Happy diagramming!